subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, this is the MacBook Air, the new one, the 2019 model. And yes, it's in the color gold because why not? So now let's read the back, and I'll show you, and I'll read you all the things it has on it. 13.13-inch digital retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. 1.6 gigahertz dual core Intel Core i5 with 4 megabytes LE cache turbo boost. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigabytes, not 12, okay? Intel UHD graphics 617, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 USB-C ports, supports for high-speed LO and video out. Headphone jack, stereo speakers, Touch ID, backlit keyboard with amber lens sensor, Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, FaceTime HD camera, and pre-installed Mac OS, size and weight. And it weighs 2.75 pounds and meets Energy Star requirements. So let's open this baby up. It's so slow. This is my first time owning a Mac, so this is a very big deal to me. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're opening her up. Oh my god, this is gold and beauty. Okay, everyone. So, we're putting it over here while we see what's inside of our beautiful box. I love the boxes Apple makes, because Apple, I love your boxes. They're just so modern. We have a charger, of course, our new USB-C charger, that most everything is going to go on eventually. So we're just going to put this in the lid because I don't want to lose any of this right now. Then we have this little pan flip we're going to open right now. Let's see. The gold Apple stickers, these are so, like, I've heard rumors, but I didn't know this was true. I love these stickers. Oh my god, I love these stickers, okay? I thought they had rumors that they were going to be in the iPhone 8 Plus, but they weren't, but now I actually have them, so I'm so proud to be an owner of these stickers. Okay, and here we have our, essentials and stuff like that, and then we have a little quick start guide. So that's that. We're gonna use that to help set us up. Ooh, so then we have a power brick, and that's all that's inside of our box. Let's take this thing out, and that's this power brick. It does the same thing, like your old power brick is just a little bit bigger and it charges faster. Okay, so the MacBook, it's beautiful self. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, guys, this is so freaking pretty. Okay. So let's open my first ever MacBook together. Oh, there's a screen protector. Oh my gosh, guys, it's on. Look how freaking pretty this is. If you guys can't see, it's turning on. The keyboard, it is amazing. Oh, I didn't know the MacBooks actually had this. They have the little arrows, which I'm actually glad, so I can play my Roblox. Oh, asking me to set some stuff up. English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Return. Okay. So, I'll be right back when I set this all up. because it's going to be so much easier when you guys are not on the camera. So I'll see you guys oh my gosh, guys, I just finished setting it up. This is what she looks like, and I selected dark mode. You can do that and stuff. Oh my god, this is like amazing to me. You can look at your photos. Can I look at my photos? Are they from my phone? I don't know if that. Get started. Use iCloud photos. Actually, not now, no, because that took up so much space on my last one. Not now. Exit. How do I change that? I think I go into system preferences. But this, guys, is so, like, oh my gosh, like, this is so beautiful. It is beautiful. I don't want that. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if this was an informational video or anything, but just thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, because I am sure going to enjoy this. It is so pretty. I love this. It is lightweight. It doesn't weigh, it weighs 2.75 pounds, guys. It doesn't get better than that. It's a good, look how when you close it, look how thin it is. You could literally slide this in anywhere. You could take it anywhere. It is so pretty. It is so good. I definitely recommend this computer. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please just like and subscribe and comment of any videos that you want me to do next. And this video was not sponsored by anybody. So, bye guys. Hi guys. So this is the next day. You guys have already watched the video of me unboxing it. And I'm just adding this little part at the end because I would like to show you what it looks like from the side. It is so cool. You have so many different wallpapers. If you go to, where is it? Desktop and screensaver. See, there's so many cool screensavers you can pick from. I've been changing it a lot. I like this one. And then you can get, I have Safari. It has all the normal stuff. You can text and FaceTime. I've already been doing that. I've been composing emails and stuff and everything. It's just, I did get the 128 gigabytes. So iCloud photos are off because it saves a lot of storage. Because iCloud photos take forever. But this computer is the perfect size. The screen is really actually good. I've been watching videos and stuff like that. This is just perfect for what I wanted to watch movies and stuff and do homework and just do stuff on it. So I totally recommend this. And I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's informational. And one thing I'm going to tell you this now. You cannot get the app Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and all that stuff directly on here. But you can get this app called Friendly Streaming, or it has YouTube, and you just click this, and you can choose which, like, thing you want to watch, because they're like instant links, because you can't get the actual app itself on this computer, which is okay. I like it. Oh, I did not know I could do that. I guess we can slide like that. Wait, how did I do that? That's cool. But the trackpad has a lot of hand gestures that you can learn and put on here. You have Touch ID and stuff like that. So yeah, this is gonna be the perfect travel computer because you can literally travel anywhere with it. You can put it in a backpack and go on. I am gonna order a case and stuff for it because it needs it.
just because it's expensive and I don't want to get it messed up. It is really pretty. So that is what we are going to do next, and I'll probably do a video on that. So bye. Please like and subscribe and comment down below.